What's up, everybody? This is Khan from Khan Eats. Today I'm gonna make me chocolate peanut butter cups. Yeah, very simple to make, very low carb, keto friendly, because all we're gonna use is like coconut oil, sunflower butter, no sugar, and 100% cacao, unsweetened. We're gonna sweeten it up with some stevia and some monk fruit sweetener. So let's get started. Let's see how this thing go. First, we're gonna weigh out our cacao. That is 111, 12 grams, 15 grams. Yeah, that's all we need. What we do, take our cacao chocolate here, this big chocolate bar. I'm gonna cut it on top of this. I'm gonna use the cover or wrapper of it to chop it with a knife. So what we wanna do is just chop it to small pieces, like that. We wanna do this so it'll melt easier in the microwave. The reason why I did this was for this reason. Fairly simple, right? So from here, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which is about 30 grams. Now we take this, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. 30 seconds up, so now we want to mix this up. We might want to microwave for another 30 seconds. There you go. Ooh, look at that. There we go. That's better. We want to mix that all up. The butter I put in here is a little salty, which is good. I'm going to take a teaspoon of vanilla extract here. A teaspoon of liquid stevia. And a tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener. Mix it all up. Make sure you mix this well so all the sweetness is incorporated. Maybe more monk fruit sweetener. Let's do 1, 2. 2 more tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. That should be good. Yep, that's good. Alright, in our what do you call this? Cupcake baking tray here. We're going to put in our cupcake things here. Do all 12. There we go. Now that we got our cupcake paper in here, we're gonna put half a tablespoon of our chocolate mix here for our first layer. Then the second layer, we're gonna do the peanut butter. And the third layer, we're gonna do more chocolate. And I'm gonna put some toppings on there too. So let's go. First layer, half a tablespoon. There we go. Done. Now we can take this, our first layer of chocolate, and put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. And after that, I'll take it back out and we'll do a second layer. We'll take our sunflower seed butter. That's no sugar. Put that for the second layer. And then we'll do another layer of the dark chocolate, okay? Let's go. Put this in the freezer. 15 minutes it goes. So it's been about 15 minutes, as you guys can see. Now it's time to put our sunflower butter with no sugar. If you have almond butter or peanut butter or peanut butter, whatever butter you have you want to put in there, you go right on ahead. I say we do 1 teaspoon of each. Should be okay. Maybe a little less than a teaspoon. So our base is layer of our dark chocolate that we made and mixed earlier with the stevia and the monk fruit sweetener and the butter and coconut butter. And the second layer or inside layer is our peanut butter, or in this case sunflower butter. Keep it low carb as possible and keto friendly. We do 0 sugar sunflower butter. There we go. Now we add the rest of the chocolate that we made from earlier. Well, half a tablespoon I think will do. Shake it up so, yeah, that's it. You can shake it up so it goes down a little more. There we go. And we're gonna sprinkle some unsweetened shredded coconuts, just a little bit. Yeah, like that. There we go. Now we're gonna throw these back in the fridge for about 1 hour before we eat it. Alright, they're done. Yeah. We let this sit in the freezer for an hour. They should be good now. Let's open them up and see how they look. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, they're kind of frozen. There you go. Ooh. Let's break open one. Ooh, shit. The middle was not frozen yet. Mmm. But it is good. It is pretty good though. Very sweet. It's pretty good. Chocolatey, peanut buttery, shredded coconuttery, delicious in my mouth already. It's good. I eat just 1 or 2 of these a day. Low carb, keto, dark chocolate, sunflower butter. You can use almond butter or peanut butter if you want. Shredded coconuts on top. Alright y'all, that's been Con Eats. Thank you for watching. Please like, dislike, comment down below. Please share this video, and please do subscribe.